guys, welcome back to my channel, and for anyone that is new, welcome for the first time. My name is Dana. Today we are going to be talking about affordable curly hair products, and this video is a collaboration with the beautiful India Batson. She is just a huge ray of sunshine. She's super sweet, and she has the hair of your mermaid dreams.
Hey guys, my name is India Batson and I'm a YouTuber on all things wavy and curly. Be sure to pop on over to my channel and check out my video on my absolute holiest of holy grail drugstore favorites.
So if you guys have not already checked her out, be sure to go ahead, hop over to her channel, check out her video, and subscribe. She makes really awesome content. Today it's all about affordable products, and I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favorite picks from the drugstore. Before I go into product specifics, I want to mention that I have used 4 out of the 5 that I'm going to be talking about today, and it's a little bit different than what I normally do, but I've been loving this. So if you guys want to see my drugstore curly hair routine to get these results, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's jump into the shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow Shampoo with peppermint and apple cider vinegar. That is a really long name. This is an amazing clarifying shampoo. It gives you a really deep clean on your scalp. It gets rid of any buildup that you have in your hair. Also, I like that this has Jamaican black castor oil in it because I'm not a huge fan of depositing oils directly onto my scalp for scalp massages or anything like that. I find that it easily weighs down my hair and it's hard to remove. So I like that this shampoo is infused with it. Also, because this contains peppermint, it's very stimulating on the scalp. It's not anything tingly that you actually feel, but I feel good when I use this because I feel like my scalp is getting a nice treatment. I do find this to be a little bit drying, so I usually follow up with some sort of deep conditioner afterwards, but if you're looking for a really good sulfate-free clarifying shampoo, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. Next, I have 2 deep conditioners. And you guys may recognize this first one from my deep conditioning favorites video. And this is the Tresemme Expert Selection Nourish and Replenish hair mask. This is really amazing for a very nourishing, softening, deep condition. This has no dyes, no parabens, and it is silicone free. And it's really inexpensive. I think this is about like $5 or $6 or so. This nourishes your hair really quickly. So I put this on in the shower, leave it on for 5 minutes, and within that time you get really noticeable results. It softens your hair, it smooths everything out, and it does it all without weighing my hair down. So I really love this one. The next conditioner I want to talk about is the Main Choice Green Tea and Carrot Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. I got so excited when I tried this because it reminds me so much of the Bounce Curl conditioner that I've talked about that I also really love. That one is just a regular conditioner, but that being said, it is very hydrating but incredibly lightweight. It's really amazing. It leaves your hair super soft. It does have similar ingredients to the Bounce Curl conditioner. It even has a very similar smell, and the smell of that conditioner is distinct because it doesn't really smell like anything. Like, it's weird, I can't explain it, but this has the same scent. So when I used it, I was like, oh my gosh, is this the same product? The ingredients are a bit jumbled, so it's not the exact same composition, but it is super close, and I think this is going to be more accessible for a lot of you. The Main Choice is sold in my Target, but if they don't sell it in yours, you can always find it online. Now I want to move on to styling products. These are definitely newer products in my collection. I have used both of them on my hair today. The first one is the Shea Moisture Silicone-Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment, and I actually saw India talking about this in a video a couple weeks ago, and it sounded so good, and I mean, our hair looked amazing after using it, so I was like, I need to get this. Not gonna lie, this was a real pain in the butt to find in store. I think I went to 4 different places before I found it, but so worth it. For me, the most notable results from this are the silkiness, the shine, the softness, and the reduction of frizz. So I mean, that's quite a lot for one product to do. So this isn't really meant to enhance your curls, but for me, it lays down a really nice foundation of softness, and just makes my hair feel really healthy. Most importantly, you guys know a lot of Shea Moisture products do weigh my hair down. down. This one does not at all. It's so hydrating without the weight, and it's amazing. So I love this. But I'm really excited to experiment with this in my more like wavy hairstyles when I kind of stretch my curls out. So be on the lookout for this. And then the last product that I want to talk about is actually another one from Shea Moisture, and this is the Peace Rose Oil Complex Nourish and Silken Styling Gel Cream. They truly win for the longest product names. So I've actually never come across a gel from Shea Moisture. They might have them, but in my local stores where I buy Shea Moisture from, I've never seen one before. So when I saw this, I was kind of intrigued because I figured if a brand like Shea Moisture was going to do a gel, it probably would be a hydrating one. And it did have like a very runny texture. So I was like, this seems like it could be really promising. Also, it said crunch free, which we know is good because gels for me, although I have been noticing that gels have been sneaking their way into my routines, and I really have been liking them. So far, I've really been liking this because it does not dry out my hair at all, and it gives me adequate hold. It's definitely not the strongest hold styling product that I've used, but I'm okay with that because I really like how it makes my hair feel, and it does help with my curl definition. The only thing is that this has a very strong scent. It smells like roses, which I like, but it's roses mixed with bubbles. Like, you know how bubbles smell soapy? It's like a specific soapy smell. That's what this smells like, and the smell kind of lingers. I actually don't smell it now, and I did wash my hair a couple hours ago, but as it's drying, you definitely smell it. So I am willing to endure the smell because I do like the results that it gives. So as a whole, I've really been liking this routine. It's giving me very voluminous, kind of lightweight hair that doesn't feel like I have product in it, and you guys know I love that. Like, it just feels like my hair is naturally soft, and like I just step out of the shower and it dries like this on its own. So I hope I gave you guys some good ideas of some products that you can be on the lookout for next time you go to the drugstore. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to be one of the first to see my videos when they come out, hit the notification bell so you're ready and you're always prepared, because I'm not prepared with the schedule yet. So that is going to conclude today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this. Leave some of your favorite drugstore curly hair products down below, and I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you next time.